Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you dealing with outdated templates in WooCommerce? No worries. In this video, we will guide you throughout the process of fixing outdated WooCommerce templates in 2024 to keep your store running smoothly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So for this specific tutorial, guys, we are going to be guided by the official documents by developer docs in WooCommerce. So how to fix outdated WooCommerce templates. Now, templates update and changes. This is something that we all know. So they sometimes update the default templates when a new version of WooCommerce is released. This applies to major releases such as the WooCommerce 2.6, 3.0, and 4.0. And also to minor releases, for example 3.8.0. Starting in WooCommerce version 3.3, most themes look great with WooCommerce. The developer focus blog will list any template file changes with each release. You may need to update templates yourself or contact the theme author for an update. If you are using a theme with older templates or an older version of WooCommerce, or you modified templates or are using a child theme. Most theme authors fix themes in a timely manner, so you only need to update your theme to get the updated templates. Alternatively, you can select and use a different theme that already uses current WooCommerce templates. Now, how to update outdated templates? You need to determine what template to update. Make a backup of the old template and then restore any customizations. So what you need to do is to go to WooCommerce. Then click on Status, System Status. Scroll to the end of the page where there is a list of templates overridden by your theme/child theme and are warning messages that they need to be updated. In the example below, which is in this image that is not showing, the templates, for example, form pay PHP and form login PHP, are outdated. So this is an example for this template. So they are showing like a warning message on the form pay PHP and form login PHP. So to fix them, save a backup of the outdated template. Then copy the default template from this link URL, so WP content /plugins /WooCommerce /template /the path to the template, and paste it into your theme folder found at WP content themes /path to the theme. Open the template you pasted into the theme folder with a text editor such as Sublime, Visual Code, BB Edit, Notepad++, and replicate any changes that you had to the previous template in your new updated template file. We recognize that it can be time consuming. This is why we try to avoid changing WooCommerce template, but sometimes it is wise to break backward compatibility. Now, where you could find like the latest version of WooCommerce for those who are asking, well, if you are looking for the default template to use for updating, you want to use the latest version of WooCommerce. There are a few easy ways to get to the template. For example, access the files via FTP if your current WooCommerce installation is up to date. Find the templates per WooCommerce version in their template structure documentation. Download the latest version from the WordPress.org plugin page, or download the latest release from the GitHub repository. Now, there is a lot of people might ask like why there is not such a button like this one right here that allows you to update it directly. Well, they have considered that. As you can see, they have considered this question and they are answering it here. So it is impossible to make a video or a one-click update. Why? Simply because there are thousands of themes and every theme is coded differently. One size does not fit all. This is like another solution, which is by fixed .NET. So here they are talking about the same problem, which causes of outdated template errors in WooCommerce. So yeah, we always need to know the causes of this. Why are we still having this problem? Well, many times you may have seen the following error in WooCommerce: template file WooCommerce cart.php is out of date. You can see this error by navigating to WooCommerce system status. The various reasons that might have caused this error are as follows. You are using an outdated version of WooCommerce. If your WooCommerce version is outdated, you will see an error message that says template file outdated. Please update your WooCommerce files. Your theme is not compatible with the latest version of WooCommerce. When you update WooCommerce, your theme may not be compatible with the new version. It will cause an error message that says your theme, the name of the theme you are using, contains outdated copies of some WooCommerce templates. These files may need updating to ensure they are compatible with the current version of WooCommerce. You can see which files are affected from the system status page. You are using a plugin that is not compatible with the latest version of WooCommerce. When you update WooCommerce, your plugin may not be compatible with the new version. You will encounter an error message that says the name of the plugin is not compatible with the theme you are using. In that case, you will have to update your template files or basically get rid of the plugin. So here, reason why you need to fix the outdated WooCommerce templates. Updating your templates is a quick and easy way to ensure that your store runs smoothly and securely. There are a few reasons you might want to update your WooCommerce templates. Outdated templates can lead to security vulnerabilities, and they may not be compatible with the latest WooCommerce features. If you are using an outdated template, you will have to update it to keep up with the latest WooCommerce features and stay secure. Updating your templates can also improve your store's appearance and usability. This way, you will not have an attractive store, but also keep up with the latest WooCommerce features. WooCommerce templates are automatically updated when you update the store software. However, you will need to update the templates manually to account for any changes made to the template files. Now, how to fix the outdated templates in WooCommerce? Well, the outdated copies of WooCommerce templates can cause issues with your online store. Fortunately, there are a few things that you can do to fix them. Below are the steps you should take. For example, avoid overriding WooCommerce template files. Check if your theme needs updating. Modify the custom templates in your WooCommerce theme, and basically you have to fix everything, like any update, any plugin that is not matching with your templates. You have to really just get rid of it or update it or find an alternative for that specific plugin. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. I will try to cover all the upcoming topics in the upcoming videos. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.